Okay, so we're going to use ribbon. This ribbon is 1/4 of an inch. 1/4 of an inch ribbon. It's a 3-inch round ornament. Get you some fabric. Depending on how many ornaments you're going to do, a yard of fabric might be good. And of course, your glue sticks, your glue gun, and we're going to use picking shears. Picking shears. Because I want my fabric to be above my ornament, I'm going to cut it 2 inches taller. So my ornament is 3, double it is 6, but I'm going to cut it at 8. I'm going to turn my fabric over. And I'll mark my 8 inches there. You can use a pencil, pen, whatever you want to use to mark it. So I'll put this over to the side, mark it here, 8 inches, mark my 8 inches. Alrighty. Alright, so take a piece of fabric. In the center of the fabric, I'm going to put some glue in the center. And right there in the center, I'm going to put my ornament. Right there in the center of my fabric. Center on the side, put some glue on each one of the sides. Right in the center. And I'm going to glue these up on to the ornament, pulling my fabric tight. Oops, put some more glue there. Just using a dot of glue. Alright, so that's dried a little bit. I'm going to take and put glue in the center here. Make a little line and glue my point down. Take your ends out so that your point comes straight in. Pull your fabric. And you want your point to come straight up. Just like that. So you have these folds on the side. And you want to take some glue, put your fold down, some glue, and lay your fold down. And you're going to do this all the way around your ornament. Okay, so you got your fabric all glued down. Go from the point, glue down the edge. Point, glue down your edge. And bring your points up to the top. Take your ribbon, bring your points up to the top, hold them up there. Bring your ribbon all the way around. And tie it off. Tie it the way you like it. Alright, here's your finished product. Your ornament. Got all your tips up. And your flaps are glued down. Okay, take your fabric and turn the right side down towards the table. Alright. Get your glue gun. Your glue gun right there. And put you a dot in the center of your fabric. Right in the center. You move your ornament out of the way and put your dot right in the center. Okay, now stick your ornament down there, right straight down in the center. Press it down in your glue. Straight up. There you go, you got it. There you go. Alright. Now take your glue gun and put glue on the center. Center right there. Center right here. No, the center. You had to put it in the center. Center right there. There you go. And put it in the center right here. Alright, put your glue gun over the side. Now take your sides and pin them up on your ornament. I'll hold your ornament for you. Just take right where you got your glue and press it up. Pull it up though so it's tight. And press it on your ornament like that. Okay? Do all your sides the same way. There you go. Pull it up tight, as tight as you can pull it. Okay? And this side right here too. Push it onto on your ornament. All right. Now you got your sides up there. What you want to do now is put your points up there. Well, those are our two ornaments for today. My mom helped me with the red one and I did the gold one. Thanks again for tuning in. Please subscribe and do not forget to like. Have a blessed day.